How to use pivot table in the Excel to quickly analyze the monthly usage of each stuff. Enter to home page. Choose the period of the data. Then click Report Export button on the right to get the data and click Download. Open the Excel file. Start by placing the mouse to the left of the first row. Click to select the first row. Delete it. Click the triangle syndrome to select the entire document. Then click the Insert button and select Pivot Table. Then click OK. In this table, drag the borrower to model or to specification in the field list into the row. And then drag the quantity or unit price here. You can quickly sort out the two models' specifications and the corresponding quantity and amount of each stuff.